Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today, a quick look at modal verbs. Have a look first of all at this sentence. It be a good movie. The reviews were very good. It be a good movie. The reviews were very good. What modal verb fits the space? You've got a choice of 4. Have a look at these. Can't, should, could have, must have. Can't, should, could have, must have. Which one fits the space in the sentence? It be a good movie. The reviews were very good. The answer is should. It should be a good movie. The reviews were very good. Why? Well, let's eliminate the other 3. First of all, the first option, can't. It isn't can't, because if you said it can't be a good movie, but then you said the reviews were very good, the 2 ideas don't go together. You've got a negative beginning, a positive second part. It sounds strange. So eliminate the first one. It isn't can't. Look at could have and must have. You've got must have, and could have are always followed by a third form. For example, must have been, could have been. But is there been in the sentence? No, only be. So it can't be could have or must have. And the only one that's left is should. It should be a good movie because the reviews were very good. English grammar, modals, pretty easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.